Hello, good afternoon, YouTube family and friends. It's a very good afternoon here from Kapiri.Zambia, and it's guess what? It's lunchtime. And can you guess what I'm having for lunch today? I don't know what you're having, but for me, look, let me show you. Oh, by the way, for those who have subscribed to my channel, I want to say a very big thank you. For those who are thinking of subscribing, you are welcome. God bless you. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to leave a comment and also to share the video, to press the bell icon for more notifications. But here we go. Look what I'm having for lunch today. This is what I'm having for lunch. These are green beans, and this yellow stuff you see here, that is papaya. Popo, they call it in Zambia. And this other yellow thing you see, this one here, is one of those great pumpkins I bought on the highway supermarket on the road between Kapiri and Ndola. That's the pumpkin. All organic food here. This is a chicken wing and another one here. This is the rooster that we have slaughtered today, and it's all organic as well. So I'm just going to enjoy my food now while you salivate, while you wish. Delicious. Now hold on. I'm just having my food here. I got two roosters. Look at this. And they keep on fighting each other. And this is what they say at Ibamukolo Ngawafula Inchito Taimoneka. Which means if there's so many roosters you're keeping, the job shall not be done. So we are going to slaughter all of them. We will remain with only one rooster because they're giving us headache. And we've got a place to keep them. Anyway, I've been diverted from my lunch. Let me enjoy my lunch. It's time to have my lunch. You know. Yeah, so let me have some popo. The popo is so delicious. Then I got the gravy. You know, the gravy for the chicken. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. Ecstatically beautiful. The natural flavors, you know, the natural sweetness of this pumpkin is just mind-boggling, amazing. It's ecstatically beautiful. The combination of the ingredients in this pumpkin is just marvelous. And now some popo. The popo is very calm sweetness. Calm, you can feel the naturalness in the popo, the organicness. It's marvelous. And now some of this green beans with some gravy. The combination is just amazing. And a bit of some chicken wing. That's amazing. Anyway, reporting live. Let me enjoy my food. I don't know whether you're salivating or wishing, but you can come and join me. I'm in Kapiri.Zambia. Reporting live. Stay blessed and stay tuned in. God bless you.